Primary School.
My name is Guo Cheng Guang, 8 years old, primary 2, also from YUMIN Primary School.
This lesson is Calculus, Chapter 4, Further Differentiation. This lesson will look at this question. For this question, we have 3 parts, right?
Okay.
First, we look at this question. The point 2, 1, which means that the x is 2 and the
Y is 1.
okay. This point is a stationary point on the function. Okay, this function is y, that is
Y, that is x cubed plus p x squared plus q.
okay, and remember p and q are constants.
Yes.
So let's start with the first part, okay?
Okay, we'll first differentiate.
Okay, yes, for the first part we need to differentiate first. So this is actually a 3x squared plus 2px.
Okay.
Then you need to let the first derivative be 0. But what is x?
But the x is
2, right?
2.
But what will p need to be?
P will need to be, we will sub first.
Well, need a negative 3, right?
Okay, as we sub, it will be a negative 3.
So for this, can you sub the x and the p into the original function?
Okay. So it will be y equals 2 cubed plus,
Wait, why didn't you sub the y?
okay, sub the y, so it will be a 1
Yes, it is a 1.
minus 3 times 2 squared
Plus.
plus q.
Okay, first we put this as a cube because that we can't find it yet.
So now we'll switch these two places. So q will need to equal a negative 1.
Negative. Okay. This is a plus 1.
Okay. So this
Okay, so you found it. Q is 5. Right?
yes.
Then next, can we move on to part B?
Okay.
Can we? For part B, we also have the first derivative. Here, 3x squared. Can we just put it as the same?
Okay.
But just that will sub the p. So here's a negative 6x, right?
Okay.
Then here, it can be a 3x times. This is x minus 2, right?
Okay.
For this, 3x, because you want to make this a 0, as you let this to be 0, right?
Okay.
X can be 0. If x is 0, you sub it in here. So for this y, what would it be? X is 0, sub here. So this is a 0, 0.
0.
And that's the cube, right?
So y will equals q, that equals 5.
Therefore, the next x, here's a 2, right?
Yes.
So this y is 1. If not, you can check again. This is a 8 minus 12, then plus 5, right?
Okay.
So for this, are you clear?
Yes.
So far until now. Shall we move on to, okay, so we found the 2 turning points, right?
Yes.
Can we move on to the third part?
Okay.
For this third part, we need to solve the equation, meaning that we sub the constants and we need to find x. Can we put it like this?
Okay.
Okay, so for this is the x cubed minus this thing. Well, for this, what can we put here? What can we put here?
We can put.
Remember, this is the x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4. Right?
Yes. 2.
Which thing is 2?
The x.
So, what do you mean?
That means that we sub the x as a 2. Yes.
If we sub the x,
Yes. Also
here.
equals to 0.
Okay, so here we can write because that like this.
Equals 0.
So
Fx equals.
this is our x cubed. X cubed
Minus.
this is
3x squared and plus 4.
is it like this?
Okay.
Then
Bracket.
okay, so for this you can have
X plus minus 1. I mean 2.
minus 2. So for this x minus 2.
Times
So here this is actually a times.
x squared.
So very obvious.
Minus.
First is x squared, right? But because we don't know what is this,
Ax.
but then here is obviously another minus 2,
Minus 2.
right?
Okay.
So for this, we need to find what is a, right?
Okay.
So to find a, we actually can use the long division.
But there's 2 other methods that you can use, like the substitution. You sub any number, but just don't sub 0. Sub 0, it will be a 0. Well, actually sub smaller better, but cannot sub decimal. Also
Okay, so
cannot
for this?
sub like infinity.
Okay, so for this, we'll try 1, okay?
Then I say 1.
So if we try 1, what should we try first?
X sub in 1.
Okay, so if this is a 1, right?
Yes.
And anyway, this y also 1, right?
Oh, no. Yeah. 1 minus 3. 1 plus.
Okay, first we can find this part, right?
1 minus 3 plus 4 equals.
But for this is actually
1
who?
plus. It's a 1.
But for this,
Wait.
wait a second.
1.
Wait.
1.
For this,
1
1
plus A
for this?
Wait. It's not like that. We need to calculate A.
So for this A, wait, I think.
Yes.
For this, okay, I realized what is a mistake. Here is a 1, A, 2, right? But you missed out this negative. Did you realize that?
Oh.
Right?
Okay.
So this is actually a plus 1. Then
So A will be a 1.
here's a negative A.
So it will be a
Negative 1.
okay.
So for this is x minus 2. And here is bracket x squared minus x minus 2. Then we can just expand. We call it expand. Factorize, right?
Okay.
So for this we factorize again. So this is a x plus 1, x minus 2. Remember, because there's 2 of them, so you will need a square, right?
Yes.
Talking about this part, did you know a graph about this? But first, we'll find x before we draw out, before we sketch the graph, okay?
Okay.
For this x, what do we have?
We have negative 1.
And a 2, right?
Yes.
Okay, so here we have negative 1 and 2. So these are the 2. And if you want another one, this is actually another 2 because there are 2 of the 2's. So right now, can we sketch out the graph?
Okay.
So for this, here's x, y. We need the negative 1, right?
Okay.
So we'll need to mark out a negative 1 over here. X, we also need a 2. So here's a 1 and a 2.
Yes.
What else? And when x is 0. When x is 0,
Yes.
it's a 1 times negative 2 squared. 4, right? So it's a 1 times
Yes.
4, which is a?
4.
Yes, 4.
But is it concave up or concave down or an N shape or an NPN shape?
Okay, so let's look at this. X, 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 they're all positive, right?
Yes.
So that means it is an N shape, right?
Yes.
So first, it will need to come to here. Then we'll need to go to 4 and then curve down, curve up. Something like that,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Okay, so does this look fine?
Okay.
Okay, so for this, anything else? Anything else that you want to say?
No.
Or is there any other questions?
No. I
Yes.
understand.
Yes, that means that you understand, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so for this graph, this will be like this, right?
Right. And next time we'll continue.
Okay, so for this, can we just stop here?
Okay.
Okay.